This question is asking about Medicaid asset protection here in Florida and what do we do with IRA and Roth money to protect them from the Medicaid analysis. So in Florida, unlike many other states, qualified retirement money like 401ks, 403bs, IRAs are all non-countable if they are in, quote, payout status. Well, what does that mean? Let me tell you. Payout status automatically occurs organically once you turn 72 and you have to start taking your RMDs or required minimum distributions. So for most of my clients, they're older than 72 on the Medicaid side of the house. And so they're already taking their RMDs. The good news is we can exempt the entire principal amount of their qualified money, let's say their IRA, and Medicaid also does not come after the money left in the account after you pass away, as long as it doesn't go through probate. So just put a beneficiary on it. Super simple. For those folks that are under age 72, we can put them into payout status by figuring out what the RMD would be if the client were indeed 72 or older. Typically, it's about 3 to 4% of the overall balance per year. And we take that as income, as voluntary distributions. That also puts it in payout status, and we can absorb the principal as a non-accountable asset. Now, the downside to that is that you do have to count the RMD, voluntary or otherwise, as income. And we want to normalize that income over a 12-month period. So if you have to take $12,000 a year out of your IRA, we don't want to do it all in 1 month because it's going to jack up your income for that month and probably cause a problem that otherwise wouldn't exist with respect to you being over income for Medicaid on that given month. So what we like to do is if it's $12,000 a year, we take $1,000 a month. That may still put us into an over income scenario, but that can be fixed through something called a qualified income trust or a Miller trust. So that's how we handle the qualified money. Now, Roth is a little bit weird because technically you don't have to take an RMD, but because it is a Roth IRA, Florida Medicaid treats it as qualified money. So we just take a little drip out of the Roth, or if we don't want to keep it in a Roth, which is typically what happens in the Medicaid process, we will cash it out, no taxable event, and then put that money into a caregiver agreement or a D4C or a income producing property, or transfer it all to spouse as exempt property utilizing the community spouse resource allowance or the spousal refusal, whichever is appropriate. Hope this helps. Have a great day.